Torwell might not be a name you've heard of before when it comes to 3D printer filaments, and as you might have guessed, they are a Far East manufacturer producing all sorts of materials. 3D Grottan actually handed me this spool of Torwell silk at the Sweden 3D printing meetup, usually selling for around 31 euros per kilogram, and they were like, hey, yeah, maybe try it out. So I did. It's one of the trendy metallic pearl silk looking modified PLAs that are supposed to mimic the tougher ABS materials. In my experience, whatever they put into these makes the filament softer but not necessarily stronger. The recommended print temperature is 205 degrees Celsius with a range of 190 to 210 degrees given. This matches up with my calibration prints, and I did use the 205 degrees Celsius, a 50 degree heated bed, 105% flow and a fan on full blast, as is common for PLA. Print reliability is fine and just as good as regular PLA, and you can definitely print this without any changes to a standard PLA setup. I personally find the gloss a bit too aggressive. It looks great on this slightly low poly tree frog printed with super low accelerations, but on regular prints with regular settings, the gloss mostly serves to amplify any print quality issues your printer might have. Torwell Silk overall does print well and gets 5 stars for quality. Mechanically, it does confirm what I've seen before. It's tough, but more in a chewing gum kind of way. The printed spring indicated a rigidity of less than half of regular PLA, and it also continued to sag under the 1 kilogram weight. Other filaments do not show this, which means Torwell Silk might be a poor choice for mechanically strained parts in the first place. Layer adhesion is also somewhat poor. I broke one 3D benchy when popping it off the print bed, and the brim of most parts peeled off very easily with low adhesion to the rest of the print. The ISO-like impact test shows an impact resistance almost as good as ABS, at about 3 times that of regular PLA. Pure mechanical strength is okay, but again suffers from somewhat low layer adhesion. Overall, the rating sheet comes out at 4.5 stars, so if you're looking for an easy, well-printing material with unique looks that maybe you won't be using under high mechanical stress, then Torwell Silk PLA is a good choice.